How do you use TikTok Spark Ads feature? Do you use the TikTok Spark Ads feature? First of all, you simply have to get the video authorization code from the application itself. Go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your device, then log into your account. Now you simply have to tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Now find the specific video you want to boost. Go ahead and tap on it, then tap the three dotted menu icon on the right hand side panel. Once you tap on this, from here you should be able to find the ad settings from the bottom navigation bar. Go ahead and then tap on that ad settings. From here, all you have to do is now go ahead and then agree to add authorization or simply turn this feature on. From here, you simply have to select your available period, then proceed to authorize it. Now, once you do this, go ahead and tap save and proceed to generate code, then simply copy the code itself and send the string of the characters to the advertiser running the campaign itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.